Well, I just now started the video. I'm making a video about margaritas. Ooh-wee.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. You know what I like?
Mama loves margaritas. Margaritaville.
Yeah. We put margarita on the rocks. Or not yeah.
Yes, it is.
Margarita on the rocks. Let me zoom in on that. Margarita on the rocks. Ooh, that's a good picture. Take a picture of that.
Yours?
Yeah, just as long as I don't have the stove in the picture. Well, I'm videoing right now.
Okay.
Ooh, that'd be pretty. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get all this out of the way. Yeah, that would be a pretty picture right there.
Yeah, it would.
Of a margarita on the rocks. We would need both glasses down there to get a good picture. See that? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know how to do the glasses now, too. Kind of opposite.
Yeah,
You ready?
that'd be nice. I'm videoing, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I know. I know.
Mm-hmm. We know what else.
I know what else?
I've got the fireplace going.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
We're going to sit in front of the fireplace and enjoy our margaritas.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Yum.
All right.
Yum.
We got some.
No, you don't want that.
No, I'm just going to look at it and see what we got. Woo! What is that? Turkey neck, turkey heart, turkey gizzard,
Liver, something like
turkey
that.
liver.
That's for gravy.
Yeah, for gravy.
That's going to be the gravy for dressing. For our turkey and for our dressing.
What's in the oven?
Big old turkey.
What? Oven lights on. Oh.
Turkey's in there.
Okay, I thought I'd see a turkey.
Turkey's in there.
Turkey's in there. Cooking turkey.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
This one's mine.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Ooh, look at that. Gobble, gobble, gobble. All right. I get to turn it around so you can see me. Hi, Joshy. Me and Mom are. Me and
my
Mom are
man.
filming
Yeah.
margaritas.
Yes. That's my man. Does it record if I turn it sideways? Yeah. You think so? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll turn it back.
Oh, that's good.
Yum.
You like margaritas, Joshua? You don't know? Okay. Is it okay if I put some of this in a cup for Joshua?
Sure, he'd like it. We got plenty
You
there.
gotta have a little brain freeze. All right.
Brain freeze.
Okay if I use one of these?
What is it? Yeah,
Joshua,
that'd be perfect.
these were my dad's glasses. That was his initials. D-E-R. But for some reason it came out D-R-E. So you pretend like it's Dr. Dre's glass.
Doctor
Right.
Who?
Some dude on TV.
Oh,
But
okay.
anyway, these were my dad's glasses. We had them in storage for a long time, and I got them out and we're using them. All right, I'm gonna put a little ice in his.
You want me to keep recording?
Oh, you're fine. You can stop at any time. I got some ice here too, Joshua. I wanted to get a picture of Josh. He's yawning right now.
Hey, how you doing today?
Okay.
You okay? That's good. Let me see your shirt. I'd rather be home. Yay! He'd rather be home.
Ooh. All right. I put ice in it, and I'm gonna put it over ice. Making margaritas.
Come on over there, Joshua.
All right. All right. Joshua's got his margarita. Tell Mama thank you.
Thank you.
Tell Mama thank you.
Yeah, because Mama allowed Daddy to make Joshua a margarita. Joshua is drinking age, in case anybody wants to know.
He's 22.
22 years old.
He's 22.
And he's available. He's no longer in a
Oh, yeah.
relationship. He's hanging out at home. He just opened his first business.
Yeah.
We are so proud of him.
We're very proud of him.
Very proud of him. You like it? It's what did we put in it? It is.
I can move my camera up there, Daddy.
No, you're fine. We put in the silver tequila blue agave Margaritaville. See?
That's
And
the good one. It don't give you headaches.
I thought I'd gotten the margarita mix that you add tequila to, but I actually got the ready to drink classic margarita. It's made of Jose Cuervo tequila and triple sec. So this is already prepared to drink. I didn't realize that until we got it home.
Mm-hmm.
But we went ahead because this just didn't seem right. Right. So we went ahead and added tequila to it. Right. So it's a little bit stronger than with this.
I don't like watered down stuff.
Watered down.
I like to
margaritas are
actually have
awful.
some tequila.
But we did put
Some good tequila. That's the tequila that is the tequila that you do not get headaches from.
Here, give me that phone. Love you, Joshy. Oh, I still got that bright light on back here.
Yeah, I know that light.
We use that bright light to kind of cast some light up here to help it shine up the place. There we go. Well, I mean,
I can actually turn it off for now.
yeah, just turn it off. But anyway, Joshua, how you like it? Is it good? Okay. All right. So
I recorded all of that for you.
she
She.
in the kitchen with Dallene. Y'all need to look her
Y'all
up.
need to look at me in the kitchen.
Yeah. In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen with
In
Dallene.
the kitchen with Dallene.
And this right here is usually the angle
yeah.
that we'd get right here.
In the kitchen
Right.
with Dallene.
In the kitchen with Dallene. Look at her YouTube
Hi,
channel.
everybody.
She cooks. She makes all kinds of great meals. Hey.
This one's got my lipstick on it.
Oh, okay.
It's mine.
I thought you was getting mine. Don't drink my margarita.
I have my margarita.
Mm-hmm.
And I like to tell everybody I will be telling you how to make homemade margaritas, all kinds of good drinks, all kinds of coffees, all kinds of food, all kinds of pies. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and Joshua?
Come here, Joshua.
Joshua makes
Okay.
good coffee.
Yeah.
He's going to help us do some really good videos on making some really good coffee.
Okay,
Mama's thinking
never mind.
about
My Post-it.
the kind of coffee that you put alcohol in.
You're
Like,
showing a mess.
like the, our house looks wonderful. Don't worry about it. Sticky notes and all.
That's Mama's ideas.
Yeah,
That's my Post-it wall.
yeah. Her Post-it,
That's my Post-it wall.
her Post-it wall. Okay, everybody, you need to look up In the Kitchen with Dallene, spelled Dallene. And subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here.
You're doing all that and you ain't got the light on.
Oh, I've got plenty of light. My videos are wonderful.
Okay.
Jeez.
Mine have to have light.
No. Well,
Mine have light.
all right. Love you.
Love you.